Hi viewers, today we are going to learn how to improve the system performance. It is called virtual memory. What is the virtual memory means? Virtually the processor and RAM will be take some space from hard disk. While the processor and RAM is busy, then some space will be take from hard disk as a RAM. That is called virtual memory. Previous video I explained about the same thing, but it is in Windows 7. But Windows 7 and 10 same settings. Virtual memory means virtually we can improve the system performance 100%. It will be boost your system speed. In go to first of all I'm going to system properties. Now I'm using magnifier to view the settings properly for your convenience. Go to my computer, right click, properties. Now you can see your my computer properties. Here processor RAM, you can find the configuration of processor and RAM. Just remember the what is the RAM in your system. Just simply remember the what is the RAM, what is the how much RAM is in your system. 4 GB RAM is here. Okay, 4 GB RAM is here. Just remember it. Go to left side, some options are there. Go to advanced system settings. In advanced system settings, go to performance settings. It is called virtual visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage and virtual memory. It is called virtual memory. Performance settings. In the performance settings, again in the performance option, one advanced setting is there. Click on it. In the advanced setting, again virtual memory options you can see virtual memory option. In this virtual memory option, one change button is there. Just click on change button. Then you can see virtual memory window. Finally we reached to virtual memory. How to change the virtual memory window? We have reached that window is completely, you can see here. But here one thing is there, just read it. Automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Paging file size for each drive means if you want to select particular drive, you can select a particular drive. Means which drive is very free space is the more free space in that particular drive, means you can select that particular drive. But if you click automatically, it will take automatically from C drive only, where the Windows is installed. It will take from that space only, because already is Windows running in the C drive and taking some space from there, means maximum the system performance will not increase. That is what that automatic option we are removing. Just be removed automatically manage file sizing. We just removed the option, and we can select a desired drive, any drive. I am giving now a new drive. I am selecting F drive. Just I selected F drive. Now go to custom size. Options are there. Custom size columns are there. Just custom size. Click on custom size. Then these columns will be enabled. Here give your 4 GB RAM size, like this 4 GB 4096. 4 GB 96 is your 4 GB RAM, and 10,204 something will be 4096 into 2.5 time. Just multiply 4096 into 2.5 time, means actually 10204 means 10,204 something MB will be comes, but we can give like this also 10,000. Here also you can give 4,000, no problem. It will accept 4 GB multiplied 2.5 time, and then go to set. Okay, after setting, okay, and then okay, and then okay. See, After completion, it will ask to restart the system, because already I changed the settings, means that time it is asked restart. First time only it will ask restart. Now I am doing again, then that is what it is not asking to restart the system. Any settings, any performance settings or any major settings, if you change in your system compulsory need to restart to affect the whatever you have made changes. Those settings will be apply after restart only. Please restart the system and check the performance your system. Compulsory 100% it will be increased. Sometimes somebody having 4 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, also system is very slow. Why? Because maybe the user may be using high definition video editing or high graphics, maybe they are using, or some services are running in behind, maybe some virus is there, some files are running in behind. That time your system will be becomes very slow. That time on that time we can improve the virtual memory, whatever we have done the settings before. Okay, if you like this video, please share and subscribe and comment in my mail ID. I have dropped my mail ID in description. Go to description and get my email ID. Please subscribe and press the bell icon, then I can improve my video qualities, and I can improve my technical quality, and I can give the presentation, good presentation to you. Thank you now.